Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another review video where we will be reviewing a theme which will increase the potential of your store by at least 3x. So if you're still using free theme just like Don, you are missing out on a lot of the features which you might have and which you might be spending a lot of money by hiring external developer to add in those features. But you can have all of that feature in one bundle by buying a theme which is a Flux theme, and I'm going to review that theme in front of you guys to show you guys what are the features which you will be getting in the bundle. And if you try to add in those features in the free themes by hiring the developer, it's gonna cost you at least 10 times of the amount which you will be paying for that theme. You will only pay once you have the theme ready and once you are ready to publish your store. So it's a really good thing with the Shopify. You can just test them out, test all of the features, and once you are satisfied your store is giving you a look and feel which you always wanted to achieve, you can then pay and publish your store. So that's the theme which we will be reviewing today. It is called Flux Theme. Again, a lot of good reviews from this theme, 100% positive reviews. Mana Themes is the developer of this theme, and we will be reviewing what are the features which we will be getting in this theme. One important thing to notice is that it's specifically designed for the dropshippers. So if you're a dropshipper, you should definitely check out this theme. And what other features do we have? We have cart notes, we have gift wrapping, countdown timer. So this countdown timer feature is not available on any of free themes yet. Stock counter, recommended products, FAQ page, product badges, that is also something which is not available. High resolution images is the common feature, but good to have. Before and after image slider. Again, these are the type of things which you will need to add a separate app for that, and if you hire a developer to code these type of stuff, it's going to cost you additional. And if you sum up all of these features, the cost of the theme is really nominal and affordable because you are getting out of the box features from these themes. Image galleries, okay, we do have the product videos and image hotspot, before after image slider, and size chart. All of this kind of feature is not available in the free themes. You will have to add additional themes. Again, we have the breadcrumbs, we have swatch filters, back to top button, mega menu, sticky header. Cool. So these are the features. Let's review the theme. Let's view the demo short to see how it looks. And then we will try that out on the development store to see how the backend works. Okay, so that's the default homepage. Nice looking slider. Nice looking product carousel animation. Here we have the quick view option available. We have floating social media icons. Multiple type of sliders available in this theme. Nice animation. Vertical headings. Good looking filters. Nice. Sliders on this theme was really cool. I like this. Okay, here is, I think this theme developer is calling the image hot shots. If we go back and image hotspot, they are calling it. It's also called lookbook section, I guess, where you can simply add in pinpoint to check out the different products on one single image. Cool. Here we have the testimonial slider. Overall, very nice looking theme. And it's loading also super fast because it's a really huge and long home page. But if I refresh, it's loading like instantly. Nice. They do have some other styles like paper and kids. So check out the paper version. Nice. We have this pop-up, mega menu, slider animations are awesome. Again, this hotspot section. Marquee sliders. Nice. Let's check out the kid version. Kids. Nice. One other thing you get with this type of theme is that Shopify support is not really good when you are trying to change the code or when you're asking for help for any of the customization. But when you buy this type of theme, you can directly contact the support and they'll be able to set up some of the stuff on behalf of you. So that's also really helpful because obviously all of the different themes have different documentation, have different way to set up the theme. But it's really good to have someone who can really support you along the way to build your new store. Nice. I personally like the kids version really a lot. It's really giving the vibe. Okay, now check out the product page. I'm gonna check that out because they have mentioned about the multi-column layout, which is really fascinating because they have customizable 1, 2, or 3 column grid on the product page. So I haven't seen any other theme with the 3 column grid on the product page. So let's check out the product page. I'm gonna go to this product. Okay, nice. So here we have the breadcrumbs showing up. And here we have this 3 column product page layout with these nice looking accordions. And now let's check out the mobile version. Nice. Where we have the before after slider. Mobile version is also really aligned and properly shaped. Okay, we also have sticky add to cart bar. Perfect. Let's check out the mobile version or the product page for the kids version. So I'm gonna navigate to the product page. Let's check out this one. Nice. So here we have these 3 column product layout. Awesome. Overall, great feature. Now let's try that on the development store. I'm going to install that on my development store here. So let's do that and try to do the home page to see how it works. So I'm installing that on my development store, adding Flux. Okay, our theme has been added. So simply install that and you will have it showing up like this. And then you can customize it by clicking on customize button and see how it works with your products, with your collection and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do some customization on homepage and product page and see how it works. Okay, so here we have our header, looks really good. And here we have our collection list and the image banner. So let's try placing some of the images on the image banner. Okay, let's add the image. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, perfect. Clothing that shines with you. Okay, let's hide that for now. So I'm gonna hide that here. Button label, let's say shop now. The standard button label on all of the store, most of the stores, right? And let's link it to all of the products, all products. So it's gonna show all of the products when someone clicks shop now, right? So let's save it, and we can also preview that here by clicking on these three small dots. So let's preview that. Okay, we have our header ready. Nice. Let's select some of the collections to display here. So I am going to go to this collection list part and select the collection. Let's do that. Select. Okay, so this is not the correct widget. I guess this is part of the slider. Right. Okay, this is part of the slider. So we'll need to select collections. I'm gonna select shirt and okay, good thing we do have the image banner for the desktop version here, and here we also have the mobile version, so we can add different images for the desktop and for the mobile version. It has been really an issue with the free theme. Okay, why do we not have this collection showing up? I guess we don't have products on this collection. Let's check out the other one. Okay, yeah, we didn't have the products on that collection, but this one we do have. This image looks a little weird, so I'm going to remove that from this all collection. So let's do that. So we don't have this transparent image showing up on this all collection, right? Okay, one other thing is that it's also showing % discount on the product card, which is not at all available on the free themes. So where do we have the option to change the product badges? Let me check that out. Because product cards. Badges. Here we have badges. Okay, show discount %. So this is one of the most demanding video in our YouTube channel. So if you Google out discount badge Shopify Dawn theme, here you go. So you can see that I have created multiple videos for that, where I taught for adding this % discount. So if I go to the channel, one of the most popular video in my YouTube channel is to add the % discount. So if I filter out the popular ones, you can see that's the second most viewed video on my YouTube channel with 70,000 views, where it says how to show discount sale badge in Shopify 2025. So in 2025, I got 70,000 views on this video, where everyone was literally asking me how to add this % discount, which is the built-in feature in this theme. So really good about that. Okay, let's remove this product from the collection because that isn't looking good to me. So I'm going to remove that and check out product homepage, all products. I'm going to remove that image. Here is the image. I don't want that, so I'm going to remove that. And now I am going to hit refresh to see how the product page looks like. Okay, on the preloader, they have this Flux showing up. I think there should be an option to change it with our custom logo. There definitely should be an option. But again, there's a lot of stuff in this theme, but we can definitely find that in the theme documentation. You can see they have added theme documentations on many of the parts. So we are going to search it. animations. Okay, here is the page loader. I found that in the animation section below the breadcrumbs. Here we have the animation section, and here we have the preloaders text. I'm gonna change it to WebSense Pro. Why not? Okay, let's hit save. Okay, here we have the home page, banner image, and the collection showing up with the nice looking animation. And okay, we do have this sale badge and the compare price, and this 3-column layout is really fascinating to me. It looks really good. I mean, you can summarize a long description as well, so you can add in shipping and returns, 24/7 support, all of that kind of stuff fitting in without your user needing to scroll down to read all of the stuff. It is visible at once. No need to scroll down to read further about the product information. Really good layout, which I haven't seen in any other theme. 3-column layout. I personally haven't seen any other theme featuring that kind of feature where they have 3-column. And I think there should be a way to change that into 2-column as well. Also 1-column, whatever you like the most. Let's see how we can do that on the product page. Okay, so there is this position option here, which we can change the columns from 3 to 2, I guess. So if I change all of the position to left, we will have it in the 2-column layout. Let's do that. So I'm gonna move all of that to left, and we will be able to get our left. So that's how we can arrange the product page, right? So I'm gonna move everything to left to see if we can get the 2-column layout. Okay, left. Here we have now our product page on 2-column layout, and we can also make it in 1-column layout. If we change all of the position to under gallery, then it will be in the 1-column. So that's how we can make our 1-column, 2-column, and 3-column product grid layout. Let's check out the collection page as well, which I didn't check on the preview. So if I go to view demo store and go to kids, let's check out our collection page, that how it looks. So which collection should I click on? Let's go to this one here. Okay, so that's the product page, not the collection one. Okay, here we have our collection page. Nice. We have our percentage discount badge showing up as well. Nice looking animation. And we have this free shipping bar as well. Right? So again, this is one of the paid feature as well. So you will have to add an app in order to add the free shipping bar. So it's saying that spend 31 more for free shipping. So if I add in this product here to the cart, it is going to say you qualify for free shipping. Great. Here we have the cross sell option. Nice. What about the cart page? Okay, that is different. That doesn't really look like the Shopify default store. I mean, it's different. Obviously, when you go to any of the Shopify store, all of the cart are basically the same. They're not unique, but this one is, because it is 2-column and showing on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we have our products, and on the right hand side, we have this discount option, we have subtotal, and we have this cart note. Nice. Nice. So again, a lot of features on this theme. I might not be able to cover all of the themes, but let me know in the comments below whatever you would like to learn, and I'll definitely create a separate video in order for you guys to teach you guys what basically extra you can do with the with this theme. But some of the stuff which they have here, sub collections on collection pages. Okay, so this is also one of the feature which is not available. We can create sub collection as well. So here's a complete how-to guide on how we can create sub collection, which is literally a pain because Shopify doesn't allow to create sub collection. If I go to the backend, we don't have any option to create sub collections. Products, collections. So if you have category, then subcategory, you won't be able to create that. But with this theme, we have the option using meta field. Yeah. we can do that. So there's a complete guide on how you can do that. Color swatches is okay. Color swatches is basically available, so I won't really cover that because it's something which is by default available, right? Product card badges. Here you can see we have the option to change the product card badges. We can also add custom badge tags, right? Okay, so that's something, again, a paid feature. You will not be able to do that without code customization, but here we can do that. We can add a custom badge, and we can do that by using these instructions here available on the documentation. We have delivery estimator. Nice. Earliest delivery, latest delivery, dynamic icons with text, mega image menu. Cool. We can add images to the mega menu. Cross cell collection. Again, so a lot of the features available in this theme. It is not possible for me to cover all of the functionalities in this video because if I do that, it's gonna be like 5-6 hours long video. But I would love to make another video if you guys let me know in the comments below what more you would like to learn in the Flux theme. And that's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.